This widebody C8 Corvette is worth twice as much as a 2023 Z06. Making the car stand out is the complete 32-piece widebody kit from Sigala Designs. This kit includes a new front splitter, flared wheel arches, diffuser, rear bumper extensions, side rocker extensions, side air intakes, engine cover vents, and new quarter panels. A number of other upgrades have been made to the car. These include the fitment of two-piece forged aluminum wheels. There is also a Sigala Designs stainless steel exhaust system and adjustable coilovers. The car is listed for sale for $185,000. Making that price tag all the more shocking is the fact that the Sigala Designs complete body kit is only supposed to cost $14,995 with fiberglass or $24,995 with carbon fiber.